morning. We're on our travels, and the traffic's a little bit bad right from the get-go. So we've already been on the road about 20 minutes and gone about, I don't know, a couple of miles. Worried about being there too early. We're off to, where we go? Fields End Water, just in Cambridgeshire, just through the village of Donington. We've got all the dogs with us, the big awning. We've even got some fishing rods with us. So we'll see you when we get there. Well, we made it. We're all set up. I've come around the other side of the caravan because it's a little bit windy on the other side. But yeah, we're all in. Got a big awning up. Dogs have been for a good walk. We've already had a G&T. So I think the next thing is meal time. Yeah, it's a lovely site. Or pretty much all, I think all the pitches are fully serviced. There's a heap of Coachmans here. You'd think you were at a Coachman rally. All shapes and sizes. Beautiful site. Lovely lakes. Ideal if you like a bit of fishing. Which I've started doing again recently. I've fished since I was a little boy, but had a big break later in life. But gonna give it a little dabble. But yeah, we're in. We'll show you around later, but it won't be a too great or in-depth video. There's been enough videos on this place recently, I think. So yep, like I said, it's a bit windy around this side. Still got no neighbours. I don't know whether it's going to be full for the weekend or not. We're all hooked up. Water, drainage, electricity. Yeah. So I'm going to start some tea now and we'll catch you later. Time to walk the doggies. Quite a good network of paths going around the site. Now we'll go this way, Sharon. You wind your way around all the lakes, through the woods. All the grass has been cut, so you can't go wrong. Dog bins everywhere. So if you're going to bring your dogs, you're well catered for. There's an area where you can let your dogs off, fully fenced and what have you. So yeah, it's very good for dogs. Thoroughly recommend. Down there is a car park for, I think it's the pool. And this way we'll go up towards the pit. And this is the pit. This is the bigger of the two lakes. More of a specimen hunter's lake, I think. You can walk all the way around this one. It's a lovely spot, this here. Little fisherman's paradise. Got a bit of caravan storage there. And then we come to the cabins. There's a few cabins here with hot tubs, etc. Because this, I don't know if I've mentioned it, but the site is adult only. Yeah, so there's the cabins. I don't know, what is there? 6, 7, 8 of them maybe. All got hot tubs, I think. Winding our way back towards reception and the shop. And there's reception, shop, all the usuals. And good morning. Well, maybe not so good. Monday morning we're woken up to a storm, and the winds, the weatherman tells me the winds are about 50 miles an hour. The old awning's flapping about a little bit, well, quite a lot really. I can show you what's happening here. The wind is so strong, it's blowing the rain past the awning rail, where the awning meets goes into the rail, obviously because it moves, it's not fully sealed, blowing up around the rail, and it's all coming down the caravan. I don't know whether you can see that. But she's flapping about a bit. We're a little bit exposed here. It's going to be like this all day. Oh, and I've just noticed my windbreak's gone over. Great. I've got straps on the corners, obviously to the ground outside. The only thing I haven't got is a big strap over the top, which I don't have, and I wish I probably did have. Well, that's going to be an investment for the future. But we've got another few hours of this, I think, and I've got to take the dogs for a walk soon. It's going to be fun. I might have to cross their legs for a little bit longer, I think. Anyway, fingers crossed the awning stays put. I'm going to go and say a few more prayers. Something I haven't seen before. When you wake up and undo the blind in the kitchen, and there's water running down the window on the outside in the awning. The wind's just blowing the rain so hard, it's just coming through the rail. Well, the rain's finally stopped. Let's get out and have a look. Oh dear. Oh dear. Well, I think we'll be alright. Put that down out of the way. At least I moved it away from the caravan last night. There's a ladyship. And over there, blue skies, look. How quick can it change in such a short space of time? Right, let's get the dogs out.
Rain stopped for a little while, so Paul's now going to take the girls out. As you can see, obviously Bo's not too happy because she's already been out this morning. Off he goes.
We've treated ourselves to tea tonight. On site there's a lovely little cafe up near the lake, which you can either go and eat at. We've got a small seating area where you can order your takeaway food. And this is it. We've got scampi and chips tonight. And this is what you get. 12 pieces of scampi, I think. Peas. Looking good, hey?
Looking very good. And I know I didn't have to cook.
No.
Which is a bonus.
And I don't know whether you can hear it, but it started raining again. The sun comes out, the sun goes in, the rain comes out. Oh dear. Anyway, let's tuck in. How's your scampi and chips, my love?
Delicious.
And you didn't have to cook it? It's all there.
I didn't have to cook it though, but that is really nice.
Oh, good. Bless you.
Yeah, like I can run, yeah. I can't hardly walk. Obviously she's not included. No rules. Go on then, darling, run. Get Go find it. Go find it. Go find it. Go find it.
Well, that's it. That's the end of our holiday. Apologies, we haven't done a huge amount of filming this time because we just wanted to have some time out. We have been nowhere apart from Aldi's. We have been nowhere, not done a lot, just walked the dogs around, had a couple of sessions fishing and just relaxed. But time to go home. What do you reckon?
And we had a visit last night with some friends.
Oh yeah, we had some friends who live fairly local. They came and saw us, which was nice. But apart from that, we haven't done a lot, have we?
No.
Just chilled out. The weather's been a bit up and down. It's been cold and it's been quite breezy. It's quite exposed here when that wind comes across the fields. Yeah, you feel the force of it. The old awning. Isabella have done brilliant with that awning. That stood up to quite a lot this week. So
That really has.
yeah, well pleased with that. First time to go, so we're just about packed up. Just got to put the front cover on. Take the water off.
On the way then.